Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have B&O Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily disconnect from your headphones. So at first we have to scroll down to a control panel, then we have to hold everything on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now we have to go into our device info by clicking this gear icon over here. Now as you can see, there's a button called disconnect. We have to click on it and now we're disconnected. To connect back we have to just click on our device. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.